In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the bad debts in QuickBooks. So let's get started. Now the next entry is an adjustment entry and it says, Mr. Bashir didn't pay the due amount, thus treated as bad debts. So this transaction is of 17 January 2024 and the total amount is 591,800. So let's see how we can do this in QuickBooks. Now our aim is not only that we have to settle this total customer balance against the bad debts, but also we have to close this pending invoices, so that when we settle the bad debts, it should not show that these invoices are still open or pending. So this is the main purpose. So that's why we have to find a way around, because there is no direct area where we can treat the bad debts. So the perfect area is receive payment. Now you might be thinking that we are not receiving any payment, we have to pass the bad debts, right? So this is a way around. Just choose the customer here. Now you will see the pending invoices. Don't enter anything in the payment amount. Just directly click on one invoice and apply the discount. So I'll go to discount. So when we issue discount, it's showing the amount due of 50,000. So we are saying that we are settling that 50,000, but against what? Against the bad debts. So you will write bad debts here. If you don't have the account, you will click on add new, select expense and write bad debts and save and close. So you can attach it to the bad debts account. Now let's click done. And same goes for the second invoice. Here you can see the discount date and the amount, and the total payment amount is nil, or total due amount is nil. So similarly for the next one, just select that invoice and go to the discount and credits and do the same. Here the total amount is showing 541,800. We will settle it against the bad debts and click done. Now there is no amount pending now, and all of this information is showing 00. So we will directly click save. The catch here is you don't have to enter anything in payment amount, otherwise it will disturb the entry. So let's click on save and new and go back to check back our entry. Now this Mubarak entry is showing before this last entry. That means the date is incorrect. So it's the opening balance as of 1st of January. So we might have made some mistake. Let's change the date to 1st of January. Let's click on save and new and it will show you this prompt that this payment has been used to pay invoices. Changing it will alter how it applies to these invoices. Do you want to change it anyway? Click yes. We will see it later on what impact does it have. So go to the previous and here we can see the pending amount is 0. So now let's click on reports and transaction journal to see the real impact of it. So bad debts is debit and account receivable credit. This is the perfect entry. So guys, this is how you can treat the bad debts in QuickBooks.